Hello guys, and welcome back to Test It Now Friends. I wanted to start off today by saying thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and also hit that notification bell. That way you can get more content. Today we're going to be reviewing the Zoho annotator Chrome extension on Google Chrome. Let's test it. As part of today's test, what we will want to do is go to Google Chrome. This is an annotator tool, which means that you're able to take whatever it is that you're working on, write all over it, and create text. It's a wonderful tool, and the way to get it is by getting to the zoho.com annotator website. Once there, click on the Add Chrome Free extension, move to the Chrome extension, add it, I already have, then you'll be able to go to the website you'd like to work on. I decided to choose BrainPop. This is a great website. Obviously, at this time, it's a great resource for all of us. But sometimes I notice as I give instruction, I'm not able to pinpoint the idea that I'm trying to get across. And Zoho Annotator helps me. Here's an example. I decided to choose algebra, obviously, with the math that I go over with the kids that I work with. It's very important that they understand variables. So I chose that equation for variables. This was obviously one of the favorite lessons that the kids can go over. But what this lesson does and what I need to do may be different. And so what I can do is I can go to my extension that I get on Zoho Annotator, and I click on it, and I'm able to choose what exactly I'd like to annotate. I can also make a blank editor page if needed. So let's say I go to the full page. It'll take pictures of the page, and then it will take me directly to the annotator editing page. And on there, I can do tons of things. I can create boxes in order to emphasize what it is these guys are looking at. I can highlight maybe something in particular that I want the students to work on. I can draw arrows. So that way, they're clear about where is it that I'm working and what it is that I'm doing. Especially with this kind of an exercise, I'll be able to use text format to write out an equation. So for example, x to the power 2 plus x plus 2. Just save myself time here. I can increase the size of the format. I can change the color of the format. I can place it where I think would be best in the actual page. And what I love about this, it's not really easily accessible on other programs. I also did a Loom video. Hopefully you'll go and check that one out. Unfortunately, their annotator tools are not really that able to do what this can do. They're not as functional, and that's very important for us teachers. So clearly what I love is that it stays where you place it, and that's something that doesn't happen a lot in other softwares and other online Chrome extensions. I can designate if the answer was correct. I can put a wrong sign if I need. I can change the direction of where it was located. I can simply move the text if I need, if it wasn't the right place, or maybe that's where it needs to move. It's amazing. It's really simple, and here's the best part. It's free. That's right. It doesn't cost you anything. It can go on any page. It can take a shot of the whole entire screen. So is this something that I would be interested in? Well, definitely, especially if I'm just trying to make sure that I have something that I don't want the kids to really put an emphasis on, or if I'm having trouble teaching something specifically. This is a great annotator tool to help kids really draw focus and really know exactly what it is they need to learn. And maybe you use it for a different support for your kids, but for me, especially with kids with special needs, with predominantly who I work, they're able to use this tool, go back to it, have it as a reference tool, a memory cue. Sometimes we have formula sheets. I can go right to this, right on the page that I was working on, and create that. So So there's just a number of activities you can do. And maybe you don't want the whole page. Maybe you just want a portion of it. This is amazing. I can literally crop the parts out that are not important, so that way the kids don't get lost in all of this. And I can just move from there, editing the entire page, literally in seconds. It's amazing. And so I have a whole new page for the kids to put their emphasis on, just what they need to learn. Honestly, the test for me is clear. It's a gotta get it annotator tool, and we just tested it.